Thanks for purchasing the GhostBed Smart Adjustable Base. As you follow along with this setup video, feel free to pause the video after each step so you can work at your own pace. And don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. If you do have any questions as you're setting it up, give us a call and we'll be happy to help. In-home assembly is available in select areas. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the box and take out the bed frame. Cut and remove all of the zip ties. Place the frame on a clean, flat surface, preferably carpet. Take out all of the accessories from the packaging, making sure all labels are facing up for easy identification, and double check that you have all of the parts listed in your owner's manual. Go ahead and pause here to complete this step. Step 2. Stage your left and right frames with the hinges facing inward, and then put the crossbeam across the two. Align all of the holes and tighten the screws. Step 3. Next, we'll install the motor brackets. Attach the head motor bracket with the screws that were included. Then do the same with the foot motor bracket. Step 4. Next up are the slider rails. Start by lifting the hinged rails at the head section so you can access the underside of the frame. Install the slider rail with the head label and tighten the screws. Step 5. Do the same on the foot end of the base. Lift the hinged rails, install the slider rail with the foot label, and secure it with the screws. Step 6. Next, we'll be installing the head and foot motors. Remove the clip and the pin from the motor brackets. Then, do the same with the slider rails, removing the clip and the pin. Install the head motor and foot motors, connecting one end to the motor bracket and one end to the slider rail on each side. Step 7. We're ready to install the wooden boards now. Stage the board labeled H1 face down at the head of the frame, with the screw holes facing up. Install the Anti-Snore module with screws on the snorer's side of the bed. If you're setting up a split king, you'll have two Anti-Snore modules to install. Make sure these are on the outer sides of each of your bases. Now place the H2 board face down on your frame. This is where you'll install the USB modules. Step 8. Now turn both boards face up. Before moving on, check that all wires are hanging down freely and out of the way. Next, add the board labeled H5 at the foot end of the frame. Secure these three boards with the screws. You'll keep your H3 and H4 boards set aside for now, since you'll need an open space to do the wiring. Step 9. Now we're ready to connect all of the wiring. Match each cable to the correct port by aligning the color labels on the cables with the control box. Use the splitter cables for the green and red ports as shown to connect multiple cables of the same color into a single port, and push each connection in firmly until fully seated. Pause here to complete this step. You can reference the diagram on screen or in your owner's manual. Next, plug the power cable from the control box into the power adapter. Then, you'll connect the power adapter to the power cord and plug the cord into a wall outlet. Step 10. Now go ahead and find your H3 and H4 boards that you set aside. Place them on the frame, making sure to follow the arrows, and then secure them with screws. Once this step is complete, you can use the push rod and Velcro to tidy up any loose wires under the frame. Step 11. Finally, we're ready to add the retainer bar at the foot of the bed, which keeps your mattress in place. If you have two twin XL bases, but prefer them to operate as a single king, this section will show you how to sync them. If this doesn't apply to you, skip ahead to the next chapter, where we'll show you how to install your leg straps. Step 1. Connect the sync cable to the green splitter cable on the first base. Then connect the other end to the green splitter cable on the second base. Step 2. Press and hold the flat button on one remote for 5 seconds. The backlight will flash 3 times and remain on while the bases sync. Don't press any other buttons during this process. Once this setup is done, that one remote will control both bases. If you prefer to use the app, you'll need 2 devices, for example, 2 phones. Connect one device to one base and the second device to the other base. Then, either device can be used to operate both bases as one synchronized system. The included leg straps are designed to keep 2 twin XL bases secure and snug against each other. To install them, you'll need to raise the foot of both bases to the highest position. If your bases aren't synced, simply use your 2 remotes to raise each side separately. Then, align the leg strap with the holes on the underside of the foot section. Secure it using the connector knobs. If you plan to use a headboard, installation on the foot section is sufficient. If you are not using a headboard, repeat these steps on the head section. And that's it! Thanks for watching this setup video. If you have any questions along the way, our sleep experts are just a phone call away.